空港ロビーで突然の騒ぎ。若い女が通行人に唾を吐き、駆けつけた空港警察。被害者は出発を控える旅行者たち。混乱の中、女は通路を転々と移動する。
I was just walking up, and you hear this loud bang, and I guess a younger woman hit this elderly woman in the face with a phone. And the elderly woman's cut, she's bleeding down the side of her face. Then the woman went and spit in somebody else's face, and then a bunch of us were trying to contain her.
So
we went back down into Terminal
the individual hit two people?
Hit one person, spit in another woman's face.
Hit one, spit in the other. Okay.
空港警察は店舗でのトラブル通報を受けて出動。調べでは複数の店を壊し、通行人へ唾を吐いたり、さらに高齢女性へ暴行が判明した。
Hey, what's going on? Hey.
She has like all crazy hair. She's screaming and yelling at her right here.
She did take the face of her cell phone, and that's what hit her.
That's what hit her, but you were in the way. Look at that. So right here is when she walks up to her and hits her. That's where she hits her, and then she comes.
She went that way.
Charlie? Okay.
And then she looked like she was trying to find somewhere to hide because we were all like congregating. She could have gone past us and gone down D, but.
Okay.
目撃者は語る。スマホで顔を叩いた。唾を吐かれた。逃げ場を探すように動いていた。
Where? Okay. Did you just have somebody come through and knock all this off?
Well, yeah. We have a picture.
Was it a woman?
I'm nosy. I'm black. I'm trying to see.
Was it a woman?
Yes. I can tell you, sure.
I just need to see a picture of what she looks like.
This girl.
Thank you.
およそ10分の捜索で、女は搭乗口付近の椅子に座っているのを発見。ここから逮捕の要件が整う。
Ma'am, stand up and put your hands behind your back. Stand up.
Do not resist.
Roll over.
Do not resist. Okay? Don't make this any worse than you've already made it. Okay? Come here. Do not resist.
Ma'am?
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back.
Now.
Do it
Give
now.
me your hands.
Officer Lincoln, was it the store at
Put
the
your hands behind your back. Do not resist.
or was it one
Do
down
not
here?
resist. Okay? Do not resist. Okay? Thank you. Very good. Stop.
Stop
Do not
resisting.
resist.
You're making this more difficult on yourself. Roll over onto your stomach.
立ってください。手は背中へ。抵抗しないで。それに対して女は拒む。体をよじり、言葉で挑発し、動きを止めない。
Do not resist. Being placed under arrest by this officer for disorderly conduct. Do you understand?
Stand up.
You want me to bring my car over here?
We may need that.
Yeah.
Stand up.
We're going to set you in this chair, okay?
Okay, come on. Hey, you want to sit up in the chair? Let's get you sit up in the chair. Come on, stand up. Okay. Okay. All right.
You should have me be in the chair. Let me in the fucking chair, bitch.
Yeah, I understand that. I understand that. Okay. Now you can relax.
Who's not relaxing?
Okay. There's no need for pulling away. There's no need for
Who's
language.
pulling away?
Okay.
You are.
I'm not playing games here.
I can sit the fuck up if I want to.
You can sit right here, just
Let
like
go
that.
of me.
Put your
No.
feet on the
Pedo.
ground.
複数名で体勢を安定させ、椅子に座らせる。ここで落ち着いて、深呼吸して、しかし、引き剥がそうとする動きは続いた。
Well, vehicles, since you don't want to walk.
I can sit the fuck up.
Where's your wallet at, ma'am?
Okay.
Where's your wallet at?
I don't have a wallet.
Okay.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have ID.
Okay.
In the airport.
I magically appeared. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Magically appeared in the airport. Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, hear
Walk
me.
into a car. Okay. Stand up and walk. Okay. Get a chair. Get a chair. You don't need to do that. We're going to put you in a chair then.
Come on.
No, you don't want to walk. You ride in the chair.
No, you don't want to walk. You're going in the chair.
I'll have a ride.
You gonna walk now?
No, I want to ride. Y'all gonna chauffeur me.
Good.
Okay, fish me out.
That would be very unwise.
Additional charge, resisting stop, halt, frisk. Lead the way.
女は歩行を拒否。警察は椅子型の搬送を選択し、安全なルートを確保。途中、唾を吐こうとする動き。隊員は距離を取り、周囲を守った。
Try to have a conversation with you. And be polite and be civil.
Whoever will broke these.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Thank you.
All right, what we're going to have you do is lean over the hood of this car. She's going to search you before you go in the patrol car. Do you have any questions?
I can't walk, so yeah, I'm gonna figure it out.
Stand up.
Anybody got a house before you do it, please?
Do not resist.
I'm searching on the ground.
I'll take my glass. Hold on, wait. Take my glass off.
Do not resist.
I'm searching your person.
I don't want to break that. Those are 400.
Okay. Well, don't resist. Don't damage your glasses.
Y'all damage me.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna help you sit up. We're gonna put you in the car.
Get out my glasses.
Yeah, we're gonna put them right on you as soon as we get you in the car. Do not drag your feet. Walk to the car.
Thanks, guys.
Turn around. Okay. But
Hold on, wait. I need my glasses.
we're gonna get you.
We'll get your glasses
after
in
you
the
get in
car.
Put them on, baby.
Nope, we're not.
When you get in the car.
We're getting you in your car.
We don't want to see you damage your glasses by your actions.
I don't damage myself.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Thank you.
女は高齢者への暴行、警察への抵抗、秩序を乱す行為、器物損壊などで逮捕された。
Sit up straight.
No, they're in my hair. Ooh, my bad. You gotta go up. No.
There you go. Sit up straight. Watch yourself.
Thanks, Hannah.
Good job, buddy.
Guys, appreciate you.
I'll ride with you.
Okay. Appreciate you.
空港という公共の場で一人の行為が多数の安全を脅かす。もしあなたがその場にいたら誰かを守るため何ができただろうか。